This video is for beginners who start learning programming in English. This time, I would like to display in the console a process in which the value of age is incremented by 3 each time the button is clicked. Also, by using Firebase, even when the browser is reloaded, it will start from the continuation value added. Since functions appear in slightly longer code, the content is useful for those who are not good at distinguishing between function definitions and function calls, so let's get started. If you look at the end of the code, you can see that the setValue function is called every time you click on the element with the ID attribute value of my button. Next, let's check what kind of processing the setValue function is. The processing of the setValue function consists of 2 parts. The first is to store the value age in a location called myOffice on Firebase. The second point is that age is a value that increases by 3 each time the button is clicked, and that value is displayed on the console. Next, even if the browser is reloaded, the numbers added last time will continue to be displayed on the console. That is the process here, and the onAuth state changed method detects changes in the user's login state. Also, the getValue function is called with the arrow function passed to the onAuth state changed argument. I wrote the method firebase.database. Ref keyname on in the part corresponding to the definition of the getValue function. The firebase.database ref keyname on method is used to retrieve the value saved in the Firebase keyname. Therefore, even if you close the browser once, you can start from the continuation of the numbers added last time. For example, if you added up to 15 when you read it last time, it will start from 15 after reloading, and it will be 18 when you click it. If you comment out the definition of the getValue function and reload the browser, you will see that the call to the saved value is no longer valid and will start from 0 again. Finally, a summary. I saved the value age in the location myOffice with firebase.database. Ref myOffice. Set age. The age value increases by 3 each time the button is clicked. I use the firebase.database. Ref keyname on method so that even if the browser is reloaded, the continuation of the value added last time is displayed. I define this method with the getValue function and called the getValue function when the login status changed. The above is an overview of how to create code that increases the number each time you click a button using Firebase. Thank you for watching until the end.